Bundling up with English. Unwrap the meaning of bundled up. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, bundled up. This phrase is not just about clothing. It's a part of everyday English conversations, especially in colder climates. So, let's unwrap the meaning and usage of bundled up together. Bundled up is an idiomatic phrase commonly used in English. It refers to wearing multiple layers of clothing for warmth, typically during cold weather. The phrase paints a picture of someone wrapped in coats, scarves, hats, and gloves, almost like a bundle. It's a vivid way to describe someone's appearance and preparation for the cold. To better understand bundled up, let's look at some examples. 1. I saw the kids bundled up in heavy coats and scarves, playing in the snow. 2. Before going out in the blizzard, make sure you're bundled up well. 3. He was so bundled up, I could barely recognize him. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe someone's state of dress in a cold environment. While bundled up is a common phrase in English, its usage might vary based on the cultural context. In regions with colder climates, this phrase is more frequently used. In warmer areas, you might not hear it as often. However, it's still a useful phrase to know for travel, movies, books, or conversations with people from different parts of the world. A common mistake learners make is using bundled up in the wrong context. Remember, it's specifically for situations involving cold weather and heavy clothing. It's not used for carrying bundles or for other types of wrapping or packing. That's a wrap on bundled up. We hope this video has warmed you up to this cozy English phrase and that you're now more comfortable using it in your conversations. Stay tuned for more English language tips, and stay warm out there. Remember, when the temperature drops, it's time to get bundled up. Thanks for watching.